got point of view glasses. Finally. What do you guys think? Are we good with this point of view in the new BMW M2? I want to say competition by default, but as someone told me, they don't make an M2 competition. But I mean, it's got the same engine. Woo! Woo! It's got the same engine as the M4 competition. Yeah, we're on our way to have a little meeting to talk about some real estate strategies and tactics. Maybe I'll get a little footage from the meeting, see if Sean wants to be my cameraman. But we are in the M2. Let me hit one of these buttons. Here you go. Let me hit the M1 button. That'll make it a little more peppy while we're driving. Hold the gears a little longer. There's only one thing I don't like about this car, and that's the sound of this inline six from the S58. The B58 sounds way better, and the pedal feel is not quite as responsive as my Supra, for example. But once you're going in this thing, it goes. We got traction control on. This car, this is one of those cars that you better, when you drive it, you better have traction control on. I'm gonna shift the gears. It's in manual mode now. You just use the shifter here. I love how they got the double stitching, the red and the blue stitching on here. That's dope. I've been over here listening to my songs. A lot of people ask me about my songs, if they're AI or not. Yeah, I make these songs with AI. I have to compose the songs. I have to write the lyrics, and then I take the lyrics and I put the lyrics on top of the song using AI. But you have to compose it. You gotta like tell the AI how you want the song to sound. You gotta tell it a bunch of stuff. You basically gotta program the AI to make the song to your liking. And then the AI can obviously make some really dope songs. But you can write all the lyrics. So obviously when I'm writing, you know, I'm talking about stuff related to me, my story, and stuff that happens on the channel. That's because I wrote the lyrics. But you can also get AI to help you with making the lyrics rhyme and stuff like that. So yeah, you can do that. But yeah, it's AI. So we don't need no Sherlocks on the channel talking about that song is AI. Who cares, man? Who cares? It is obviously AI, or maybe not so obvious, but who cares? It's a good song. It's a good song. So we're gonna enjoy this M2 competition. Yeah, I said so. It's an M2 competition because that's what I called it. That's its name, competition. So yeah, it's an M2 competition. I like this shifter right here. In the Supra, it's like a plastic little thin thing, and the Supra is not good. And the M2 is very good. I like the way it feels, and I will probably compare it a lot to the Supra because the Supra is the other most recent car that I got. All right, freeway entry. Seems to be a little bit of traffic out here, but I'm gonna try to give you guys a little acceleration in the M2. A little wet out here. Wet don't go well with BMW M. What do you guys think about the sound? Drop me a comment, man. Let me know what you think about the sound in the M2. Chilling in the passing lane. The passing lane on the left is for passing. I should do driving lessons. That's what I'm gonna start doing with these POVs, driving lessons. Driving lessons. The passing lane on the left is for passing. So when you get over here, it's so you can pass, and then you don't just stay here unless you're passing everybody. You get back over once you're done passing, so that the next person coming that needs to pass you can do that.
Stay in the left 2 lanes.
It's telling me to stay in the left 2 lanes, but I like going this little sideway right here. Let's see, we can test the handling on this thing. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. I'm telling you, this should be driving lessons in the M2. Now, when I'm driving kind of spirited, I don't do any sudden turns. I do everything nice and smooth because what I don't want to do is lose traction, and I don't want to startle any drivers behind me or in front of me.
In about 7 miles, take the exit onto Cleveland Avenue.
Yeah, this thing is quick. This thing is quick. it's starting to sound better. When it's like beyond 4,000 RPM right there, it starts to sound better. Yeah, it starts to sound better once you get to humming a little bit. But yeah, when it's below 4,000, it's not, listen, it doesn't sound that good. But above 4,000, this thing be humming. This thing sound pretty good. All right, listen to this at 4,000 RPM. Yeah, it sounds good above 4,000. Yeah, it sounds good. It's just below 4,000 where it sounds a little suspect. But yeah, I dig how it sounds above 4,000. Yeah. All right, so let's see if we got any drones. So we're at 70-something miles an hour in 8th gear. Not really. I wouldn't call that drone. You can hear the engine, but I would not call that drone. Oh, in case you're wondering, I have a MBRP mid-pipe on this car. So I thought, and I think, I could be wrong, but I pretty much thought all equal length mid-pipes would sound the same, but I could be wrong about that. I know some people will probably vehemently disagree, like Hamza. Hamza probably said it's because I got a cheap mid-pipe, but for me, it's the same material and the same size, and all you're doing is cutting out the muffler. It's a mid-pipe, you know what I'm saying? It's just cutting out the muffler, that middle muffler. And that's all I did on this car. I didn't do anything to the, oh, I do have some exhaust flaps that open up the exhaust all the way, but it's actually closed right now. So you're just hearing what it sounds like with the mid-pipe. It actually sounds good, like I said, above 4,000 RPM. But anyway, all I have is a mid-pipe on this exhaust and the ability to open the valves all the way up in the OEM, you know, mufflers. But that's it. So if you're wondering what exhaust I have, that's what it is. Too bad we got all this traffic, man. I was gonna try to get a couple more good pulls in. But yes, so far so good, man. This car drives great.
Stay in the middle lane.
Cats out here on bicycles. Careful, man. Big old trucks moving. You out here on a bicycle, you gotta be careful, bruh. All right, should we get a pull from the stoplight? Let's try it. Yes, it pulls pretty good. Pulls pretty good. All right, so we're on Cleveland Avenue. Cleveland Avenue in north side of Columbus. Mexican food right here. Let's see what's cracking. Oh, did I turn too early? I might have turned too early. All right, we're here with Sean and his son right here, about to ask me some questions, I guess. So we're at this restaurant called, what is it called? Taqueria Guadalajara. Okay, so it's on the north side of Columbus on Cleveland Avenue. And Sean was just telling me, man, so we come here to have lunch, to have our little conversation, but he was just telling me ICE hit up this area. So like there's a few businesses from some of the different Latinos and stuff like that. And you were saying ICE hit them up?
Yeah, they've been in this area.
Yeah. We got a proper food vlog this time. Jarritos. Oh man, they're gonna get me copyrighted out here. All right, so birria tacos. Everybody got the same thing. You want to take a bite?
I'll take a bite.
Let us know how it is.
Birria like this, you gotta dip it in the
birria sauce. Birria sauce. That looks good. Yeah, that looks good, bro. You got me ready to eat. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. All right, so we just had a nice little lunch. That was delicious, man. In the M2 again, and actually was enjoying the drive over and the aggressive sounds past 4,000 RPM. But make sure you stay tuned to the channel, man. I'm gonna do a whole series on this car, and we're gonna enjoy this bad boy. If you like that BMW content, that M2 content, you will love this car in this series, so y'all stay tuned to that. But I'm gonna get a couple more pulls to get on the freeway. So you're thinking about joining my channel, or maybe if you haven't thought about joining my channel, maybe you should, because channel members on my channel get access to exclusive content with exclusive cars like this here Lamborghini Revuelto, like this here Ferrari F8, like this here behind me Lamborghini Huracan Technica, or even the Porsche almost said a new car that I have on the channel that you guys don't know about. But this Porsche 911 Carrera T, the RS3. All of the videos that I upload on this channel, my channel members get to see those videos first as soon as I push them out, and then they're released on a schedule. I already have about 10 videos lined up that only my channel members have access to. If you're considering joining my channel, now's a good time. I definitely will shout you guys out. I'll answer your questions in my live stream with priority. Yeah, so hey, join my channel subscription through YouTube and get access to exclusive content just for you, and early access to content that I release on the channel, sometimes as early as 2 or 3 weeks in advance. So yeah, if you want the loose scoop, I got 2 cars that I haven't even released on the channel yet. So stay tuned, hit that join button. Hey, and join the exclusive section of our membership on the channel here on YouTube. Peace. Here with another video on how to turn $7,000 into over $100,000 in one single real estate investment transaction. You'll learn not only how to do flips, but also you'll learn the benefits of buying and holding and owning real estate for the long haul as rental properties. So what do you do when you're interested in investing or spending money on something, or spending time, energy, and money on something? You study. You know what? I can buy these houses for cheap prices and then rent them out, make a profit on them, and then it'll just be another business. So if you don't already own a home or own a house, you should buy a house that is a good house that will turn into a good investment. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today we're talking about my advice on the #1 way for you to get started investing in real estate.
It's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. I'm here to tell you guys to go to Will Motivation. The exotic cars is crazy. I've been watching this show for a little while now, and it's growing. But we need everybody else to subscribe to Will Motivation and support Will. I'm supporting him. You do the same.
Welcome to Will